It hurts. That was scary. That hurt. And then hit the rock.
I hit the house on the edge. I hit it right here, and then my face banged into it.
I hit that rock with my legs. I got an idea.
You just jinxed her. Don't break your leg. Peace. You wanna go? Yeah, you can video. That's your thing.
I know, it's kind of hard. You have to stand more into the dark.
Wait. I don't want to get something in my eye. Woo, let's go, Hannah. I'm gonna go up there where I can see you guys better. Oh, woo. Barely. Huh? Here, just a second. Oh my gosh! Ashley's head is right into that car. Yeah? Don't hurt yourself. Oh, my head still hurts from hitting the house.
Never again while I try that.
That was so fast.
No, it hurt. They're bumpy.
I hit my head on the house and it hurt. You guys okay? Ashley. Okay, I had this sled and I went up here sideways. I hit the edge of it, hit it right there, and I banged my head right there.
Is it still on record?
What?
Is it still on record?
Yeah.
You guys, let's go in the house.